Kingdom! Good morning! We are at Animal Kingdom. We finally made our way in because we rented stroller through Kingdom Strollers, I think it was. Anyway, the stroller broke on the way here, so we went to stroller rentals right inside the park, and they gave us a new stroller. So, and actually I think they're gonna comp us the price, so that is totally awesome. Way to go, Disney. So anyway, yeah, we got a new stroller. It's not quite as comfy as our city mini, but the kids seem to be happy, so that's good. So we are going to head on in. A bit of a bump to the start of the day, but we are excited to go in and see some animals. We're getting used to this stroller. Dave's running into everything. Anyhow, we're going on safari! Our first fast pass of the day. I'm very excited. This is, I think, the whole trip, what I'm most excited for.
Pair of booty meats, welcome. Slide all the way across, even Steve. Alright, couple of rules. First and foremost, please remain seated at all times. Keep your arms and hands inside the vehicle. Go right here in the water on the left side as well.
What is that? What is that?
Now they can hold their breath under the water for about 8 minutes, and that is when they are the most dangerous. Our pink-backed pelicans, they get their name from the color on their backs during their mating season. And there's another hippo at the edge of the island up here.
Oh, wow.
Comes up. Nope, just went down. I think that is a younger male. And there's that young male giraffe coming over on the right side. For the most part, they actually sleep standing up. And this guy's only about 2 or 3 months old.
Baby giraffe.
A group of giraffes is known as a tower of giraffes. If they're on the move, they become a journey of giraffes. Yeah, the little baby doesn't feel too safe around him. Now he weighs about 100 pounds. Might not seem very large. That's really big for a monkey. Yeah, mom and her baby right in front of us.
Oh my goodness.
We'll come around. There's a whole herd of elephants out there. Now you see those ears flapping around? They have a lot of blood vessels in the ears. Oh, look what mom just did. Mom just sprayed some dirt on herself. And they use that as natural sunscreen.
Safari Jude, and are you Safari Miriam? Yeah. Did you have a fun time on the safari? Yeah. What was your favorite animal, Jude?
My favorite animal was the elephant.
Elephant? And Miriam, what was your favorite animal?
Hippopotamus.
The hippopotamus, yeah.
What again?
An okapi.
By the way.
Fast?
Fast?
Yeah.
She has
Depends on what you're comparing to. Compared to us?
Okapi.
But they're not
The
designed to
okapi has
jungle.
no teeth here, and the giraffe has one here.
Mm-hmm.
Back in the hole.
I mean, you know,
Here comes the guy.
We're leaving Africa now, and we're gonna go to Dino Land because we have a fast pass for the dinosaur ride. And I'm actually really afraid of this ride. I was debating whether to go on at all, but decided I'm going to anyway. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it with Dave's brother and Dave, and it should be a good time. But I'm a little scared. We're heading into the dinosaur ride. I may or may not scream.
You may.
With exhilaration. I might be terrified. We'll see. Here we go. Oh my goodness. I did it. I would think I was just as scared as I was last time, but apparently I didn't scream as much. I'm good. I'll check it off my bucket list for this trip. Done. First little Mickey treat of the trip. Ice cream sandwich. Are we in Dino Land?
Yes!
Yes? Is this fun?
That's a good moment.
Teamwork.
The army training.
Up, up, up. Almost there, almost there. Yay. She's brave.
Yeah, she is.
Daisy.
Oh, oh. I'm too big for that thing. Hold on, we're not ready to open that yet. This is delicious. Mandarin orange lemonade from the Flame Tree Barbecue. There's Baloo. All right, we're on the Maharaja Jungle Trek. We're gonna see some tigers. I'm excited to see some tigers. I remember really liking this sort of exhibit before. I like all the signs and everything like that. I think everything looks really well done and authentic, you know? So anyhow. You scared me.
I'm scared. You're trying to get you.
Dole Whip time. Ooh, chocolate.
Yummy chocolate. Yummy chocolate, Daddy.
At your skate park.
Hey, Grumpy. Is it that time of day? Do you have your fast pass, Miriam?
No, that's a Spring Kingdom.
Is that Pumbaa? Did you say Pumbaa? Who is it? Lion Kingdom?
We're going to see the Lion King.
We're at the Festival of the Lion King now. I'm excited for this. The kids are excited for this. I think it's going to be a great show. The Festival of the Lion King is over. It was an amazing show. If anybody comes to the Animal Kingdom and doesn't do that show, they're crazy. That was just amazing. Worth the price of admission for sure. So anyhow, we are done at the Animal Kingdom. We are heading home now to go swim in the pool at our condo. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in the next Disney vlog.